Hi, I'm Vincent Menager, Technical and Training Specialist for the Entrelec range of thermal blocks at T-Connectivity. Welcome to this new video dedicated to electrical panel design. If you like this sequence, please share it through your favorite social media. The design of electrical panel requires the technical expertise and experience of panel builders, servicing an increasingly demanding and complex market. Nowadays, panel builders face a host of new challenges. More functions and performances in reduced spaces on installation and machine, low energy consumption, the need to quickly adapt to the changes in design during the project, increase the productivity globally. However, designers now have new tools at their disposal to help optimize the panel design process, specifically in terms of integrating thermal blocks. This series of videos offers electrical panel designers a detailed analysis through 7 key steps in panel building, covering the principal factors that can boost productivity and reliability of the installation when integrating thermal blocks. The 7 milestones to be considered in the panel building are the study design and layout phase, the thermal block and accessories installation phase, the connection phase, the power distribution, identification and marking, grounding and protection, and testing and maintenance. By taking the right technical decision at each step, designer can save a lot of time and work more ergonomically, thereby improving productivity and efficiency. This is the end of this sequence. Stay connected to our future videos. Each month, one of the 7 milestones will be featured, and through examples, demos, and 3D animation, I will show you what you can do to optimize your productivity when integrating thermal blocks in electrical panel. Thank you!